Please subscribe and help me get closer to my dream guitar.
What if one of the most iconic sneakers ever made was transformed into something that looks like an actual championship trophy? Well, that's exactly what Victor Salomon and Nike have done with the new Victor Salomon X. Nike Air Force 1 Low Trophies Black. In today's review, we're taking a closer look at this luxury-inspired Air Force 1 that combines premium materials, bold gold accents, and collectible details. We'll cover the design, comfort, performance, release information, resale potential, and whether this sneaker is actually worth adding to your collection. Let's get started. At first glance, this sneaker immediately stands out with its clean black and metallic gold color scheme. Instead of relying on loud colors, it creates its impact through premium textures and luxury-inspired details. The upper combines pebbled leather, smooth leather, and textile panels, giving every section of the shoe its own unique character. The layered materials add depth while keeping the classic Air Force 1 silhouette instantly recognizable. But the real stars of the show are the gold details. The oversized metallic gold swoosh catches the light beautifully and gives the shoe an expensive trophy-like appearance. Then you notice the eye-catching gold chain-style laces, complete with matching lace locks that resemble jewelry more than standard sneaker hardware. Despite all the gold elements, the design never feels overdone. Everything is balanced carefully, making the sneaker look luxurious instead of flashy. Victor Salomon is known for creating incredible trophy sculptures, and that artistic influence is visible throughout this collaboration. Rather than simply adding gold paint, Nike created a sneaker that genuinely feels like a wearable piece of art. The Victor Salomon X Nike Air Force 1 Low Trophies Black officially releases on July 22, 2026, just before WNBA All-Star Weekend in Chicago. The shoe will launch through Nike SNKRS and select retailers. Retail price is set at $250 in men's sizing. Yes, that's significantly more expensive than a standard Air Force 1, but you're paying for premium materials, unique hardware, artistic collaboration, and collectible status. Considering the limited nature of this collaboration, many sneaker collectors are already expecting demand to be extremely high. When it comes to comfort, this is still built on the trusted Air Force 1 platform. The familiar Nike Air cushioning in the midsole delivers reliable everyday comfort that's perfect for casual wear. If you're planning to wear these all day while walking around the city, they should perform just as comfortably as other premium Air Force 1 releases. However, it's important to remember that this isn't a performance basketball shoe. The heavy metallic hardware and decorative chain laces make this pair much more of a lifestyle sneaker than something you'd actually take onto the court. Think of these as statement pieces designed to elevate your outfit rather than improve athletic performance. One of the biggest strengths of this release is its premium construction. The combination of pebbled leather and smooth leather should hold up well over time with proper care. The sturdy Air Force 1 sole has already proven itself for decades, offering excellent durability for everyday wear. As for sizing, most people should be comfortable going true to size, just like a regular Air Force 1. If you have narrow feet, some people even prefer going half a size down since Air Force 1s are known to fit slightly roomy. One thing you'll definitely want to protect is the gold hardware. While it looks incredible, careful wear will help keep those premium details looking their best. The Victor Salomon X Nike Air Force 1 Low Trophies Black isn't just another Air Force 1 colorway. It's a celebration of craftsmanship, championship culture, and wearable luxury. From the premium leather construction to the stunning gold hardware and trophy-inspired design, every detail feels intentional. At $250, this won't be for everyone, but if you're someone who appreciates premium collaborations, limited releases, or unique sneakers that instantly grab attention, this pair absolutely deserves a spot on your radar. As for resale, there's a strong chance these could perform well after release due to the limited collaboration, luxury presentation, and growing interest surrounding Victor Salomon's Nike projects. Whether you're buying to wear, collect, or invest, this is definitely one of the most unique Air Force 1 releases of 2026. So, what do you think about the Victor Salomon X Nike Air Force 1 Low Trophies Black? Is this one of the cleanest luxury Air Force 1 collaborations Nike has ever released, or is the $250 price tag simply too expensive? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications.